Alright.
Oh, God. When you come up with
No water.
Some cream people take it and that's down in throat.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's sit down talk with me and mom, we are going to be talking about something. This is a little bit more. This is fun. This is funny.
Really fun.
This is funny to us, honestly.
Not even fun, like funny.
It's just funny.
So
we
sit
are
back,
going to
draw something for drink, get something to drink, whether you're in a cold or hot
But I tell the
weather.
people them for drink nothing, because you know they spit it out. But I tell people them for drink nothing.
That's true.
But I tell nobody for drink
Sure,
nothing, because
this
me
is
personally couldn't drink nothing with this. So we are going to be talking about some mispronounced Jamaican words, and I don't mean just back then alone. I mean to this day these words are still being mispronounced. These are some of the common ones, but if after this video is over you would like us to do a part 2, and if you have some that you've heard and we've never heard them before, you can share them in the comments down below so that we
have a lot, but some of them
we can do a part
some people
2.
more than likely, some people may not hear some of these that we're gonna say.
Yeah, exactly.
But these are some of the most
these are some of the most
ones.
common ones. Starting off with the first one, which is the most popular one: certificate. And this is not just an old days thing. People still pronounce it same so to this day.
They still are.
No matter what it is.
But I want to add, if you are guilty of any one of these,
for sure.
Be fair and be truthful.
Because sometimes it will catch you, you know.
And
you know what you
say it. Yeah, some people say it because they actually don't know.
They actually don't know that the actual word
pronunciation
is certificate.
But look here, there is one where you're supposed to add, and I've just said it and you don't. Because I don't know, me you're going to make it up. Because yes, I'm perfect, you know. Did you know that there is one word by the pronunciation and pronunciation? Did you know that?
Yeah.
Pronunciation and pronunciation. They are two different. They are actual real English words, and they are different.
They're two different meanings. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They're two different meanings.
Pronunciation and
pronoun and pronoun.
Yeah.
All right. So certificate, as we say, certificate. This one is literally the most popular one.
Very common.
Because
very
to this day,
common.
If you go up on the road and say to somebody, pronounce the word, or better yet, let's say they have something in their hand, or them just graduate or something like that.
Yes, sir.
And you say to them, say, tell me what you have in your hand right there, so. Oh, I'm a certificate.
My school leaving certificate.
My school leaving certificate.
But question for you and for them, do you think that will ever change?
No, this certificate one is not changing.
This is a Jamaican thing.
I feel like this is just a Jamaican thing.
This is a Jamaican.
This certificate is not
know it is not going to change. You know, it is going to be like one of the ones that it's going to be so hard to change.
Stick. It's going to stick.
It has already been stuck.
It's already been stuck, literally, because when I went on Google also just to check some of these things, it was the first one.
And sometimes, and to be frank, some people don't know that, literally they don't know the correct pronunciation. And some people know the correct pronunciation, but they actually, we just said,
maybe them just know business.
Boy, I'm going to look at my birth certificate right now, yeah.
Exactly.
It's just, this is like I just catch and just
it's just normal, you know, for some of them to say, and
birth
it's like
certificate. So look
maybe
here,
they do know, and maybe they don't.
Hello, how they do?
But I just for them.
Do not say nothing when anybody's. I'm a birth certificate. Shut up and just stick it at them.
Just move on.
That's your birth certificate. You know it's birth certificate. Shut up. I'm a birth certificate. I don't want you not fine. It's my birth certificate.
If you know it's your certificate, fine. See, they nearly catch me a while ago because we are saying
this is like a real stuck on one, but you can comment, yeah.
But if you know it is the right thing and they must say it wrong,
and as I say, let us say it again.
Because some people like correction.
This is a straight Jamaica thing. Jamaica does hold that one and
exactly. Yeah. All right, so this second
I don't know how it's yet. We always are keeping with something, so I don't know how it's done.
This second one now, Mama's heard this. Mom said she did hear this a couple years back.
Yeah.
I've never heard it before, but when she tell me, I was so surprised. Cornflakes. What you say?
Oh yes, I was downtown, and I think I heard somebody pronounce it like that sometime after. But the very first time in my life, it was a few years. I think it was before YouTube, or like when me early YouTube, it was in a wholesale downtown, and it was a young girl. She come in and said, Miss Chin, and she said it so many times. Because you know when you go to wholesale, if you know about downtown Jamaica, downtown Kingston, wholesale fools, everybody always a chat. Miss Chin, how much for the cornflakes them? I was literally like, I didn't have some bag in my hand, and I couldn't just drop the bag in the car. I said, no sir, I want to know, the one that out of my region. I never hear that one, I think me hear somebody say it again, but comment and tell me.
The flakes is fine,
no,
you know.
Me never
but
calm, but the cornflakes, me never hear calm.
What happened to ORN? What happened to the
calm? And I was saying like, in my mind, me saying, no, me really can't do this no more.
Because that's a whole different word right there.
Yeah, that's why. But comment and tell me, have you ever heard
that one? I've never heard that one before.
Flakes.
But no, that one mistake, mega sad.
Yes, I did. I think it's gonna be really rare, but me know it there.
It's probably there.
If you're a downtown person like we got, me think you got hear it again. Can me hear it back again down there?
It's probably there. More than likely.
Yeah.
This is the next one where she said she here. And she said this is more for olden days. Apple.
Yeah. Oh yes. Comment. Have you not heard people pronounce apple with an R sound in that? Apro. Comment. It is very prevalent. No, apro. I don't know where them get the apro. Comment.
The amount of ear you have to push out the amount to say that
I don't know, but and she is saying, oh mom, I've been hearing it from I was a young girl before me even have kids. And them are saying no too. They're still saying.
So is it a town thing or is it like a country thing?
Oh, jeez. I think it's a Kingstonian thing.
It's a Kingstonian thing.
But the first person me hear is she never born and bred Kingstonian. She a country girl like me.
Well, that is another
young girl. So I think
I never heard this one, mostly because apple is not a word that comes up in like such a conversation.
But
so
they're still
normally,
yeah,
or so common.
Yeah, but the thing is, you see, my thing and your thing are different.
Are two different something.
Because remember, in a fam, Kobe no down got town have bagging and there around Coronation Market and a prowl Coronation Market
so
like
me. So you hear
me's a downtown woman, with prowl all of the street, them a look cheapness for buy and certain we know we got Princess Street. You understand? I'll do a Princess Street. So me's a downtown woman, me's a in the street girl, I don't know. Say, look here, we are got town with the bag them and we are got town in the back. Yo, we are gonna look cheapness, we are growing at that street, we are going to so you are gonna hear anything, we are run Coronation Market like we run through the house. So you are gonna hear anything.
You're gonna hear anything, and that's normal.
Yeah,
that's normal.
So you're your little young friend them like you and you're like, oh no, you got Coronation.
Yes, so we're not gonna hear them.
Market.
Yes, so we're not gonna
hear me go again saying Coronation when the correct word is coronation.
Exactly.
You understand? So girls like you ain't going down curry. Eh?
No, it's okay.
Oh, you not go down curry? No, go down there. Yeah, but like me, we
so
run
you will hear
curry.
some of them something here.
So me I go hear them. Yeah.
Some of me will hear them. Alright. Next one.
And actually, you don't have to go down to Coronation Market.
No, some of these things you just hear randomly all about. Sometimes you
because you see when them used to that half a tree and ask them some question and then sitting there and, oh my God.
Hear them. You know me normally hear some of them, yeah? Supermarket. It's always in the supermarket I hear some of the most random pronunciation them. Matter the supermarket. Doesn't matter the supermarket.
Okay.
Most of these words that I'm about to say here, I always
you got supermarket, me I got Coronation. You got supermarket, me I got Coronation.
Exactly.
Market. So it's all over.
Yeah. Most of these words I always hear in supermarkets. People say them. Like if you might talk to somebody and you walk past them,
you chat some foolishness and
you can't
but you have to say no. Say right now a good thing say me that push that trolley I come and them drop me.
Exactly.
I've never heard it. Alright. So tell me, have you ever heard Apro? How much I does for the Apro? Comment.
No, me have to go listen out for them one day. Alright. Next one. And this is one that mommy was She still is a victim of, but I'm correct.
Am I not? I'm me alone are the victim.
No, you're not the only person a victim of.
Most of we are victim.
Yeah, true. Because this.
Because actually, let me say it, and then let me chat for myself.
The word children, right? Children, but some Jamaicans pronounce children. Also, mommy, as well.
Yes, no, look, I pronounce it children, but actually, I know a lot of us, old and young, are very unaware, so to speak.
Yeah, true.
We are unaware that we have been pronouncing the word children.
Children.
Actually, when Cobb said to me the other day, I was like, oh, hell. This is so true. And I was saying, like, back in the days, going to school, can't remember saying, no, some go school, lad, God, from Salfish, a shingle house here. So I can't remember, because we had those teachers that when we were doing penmanship, sitting there, and pronunciation of words, we had to be. But comment, Parry, if you know for me, age over, or probably a little younger too. I don't remember if we were like dragged up, pulled up to pronounce the word children.
No man, as I said, I don't think it was as strict in your time when it comes to us pronouncing things compared to now.
Yes, it was.
It was. But as strict as it is now, so you do like English orals and them type and public speaking and all that type of stuff.
Well, we didn't have English orals, so I guess that's why it came in.
Nowadays,
I wasn't even aware of it.
Because nowadays,
children.
Nowadays in school and stuff like that.
Children.
When you do certain exams, they will have English orals, and when you go to university,
so what you know in a party? Yes.
So you have to know how to pronounce the words them. Because if you don't know, you'll get marks take off of them something there.
Okay. So look here now. Right now, me prefer to say children, you know, because it a work out for me when we say children.
Honestly, might as well, because you're still putting the proper words in it.
So I wanted to tell me, because actually I know CHILDREN, but I wasn't aware that I was putting a V sound. I wasn't realize. Exactly. I didn't realize. So tell me if the one they catch.
And the thing is, you know, she said it for a long time, for years, but I never really met that she's saying the wrong word all along. I just like literally where the mistake
until you turn Miss Perfect.
I literally where the message from. I said, wait, mommy, so you just say a while ago again?
And she caught me up, and it was all no makia. Let me tell you.
She will get the hang of it, because just a while ago, me and Mo said children, and she just said the children.
Children.
Not say children.
Children. I'm trying to say children so I can actually say children.
If you said children, it's going to sound like there's a double D.
No, I know. That's for me. I'm just trying to practice for me, girl. I'm not saying it.
Next one. Family.
Oh, jeez.
Where did the B come from?
Where my family them? You see me and my family them that you know.
Where did the B come from?
I have no clue. We are Jamaicans and we always try to let things be different.
And
where my family them? My family. I'm a family. And my family then.
You know me, you don't.
You have to just low with that, you know.
Me,
just low with.
I think I'll pan like news and I interview the people in
Oh yes, that's always.
I always
that's where you hear some of the stupidest things. Yes, we are Jamaicans and that's who we are. We don't have to just love it. If we don't love it, I say, but look here, we always up in at the forefront. We are keep every single time. And my family them. Yeah.
Alright. This one I cannot. I refuse to let this one slide. The rest of them can slide, honestly. Even the family. Like, that can slide. They can all slide. But this one, I will never let slide. If anybody ever pronounce it to me, I am going to look at you that way. Valentine's is not Valentine's.
We know it's not. But what I realize nowadays that people, I am seeing some people that I know, they know better. And they have gravitated. Yes,
they just still say,
this Valentine's, I've been seeing it. Even the last Valentine, I'm saying, no man, me know you know better. And it wasn't like trying to be funny. It wasn't like
you know
why are you gravitating to Valentine's? And the word is Valentine. But come and tell me in your neck of the woods, your country outside of Jamaica,
because when you write,
you know, so we bear the brunt of all of the mispronunciation.
Because when you say something to somebody and say, will you be my Valentine? You're going to say to someone, will you be my Valentine?
Hello, so suppose one guy asks you, will you be his Valentine's? What would you do? You
be his Valentine's. By the time him say times me not day. By the time times him said times, I am not there. I am not
The mouth
there.
was too wide for the laughing. Yes, I make my laughing.
I am not there. As I said, the rest of them here, I can look past
That's look here.
I can genuinely look
in
past
your
all
neck of the
these.
woods, if you're from a different country and when you're watching this, if you hear people in your country saying Valentine's, please comment. But look here, hello, the one they really get out of hand.
No, literally,
we have
like,
to try pull it
I
up back.
can look past
Can
a
we
lot
catch
of,
it back? I don't know.
I don't think so. It can get out of hand.
It's getting like so contagious.
Because I remember one time I was going with the dead in the car and I listened to the radio. And they were calling in and happy Valentine's to this, happy Valentine's
but I'm
to that.
saying people that I know may know say them know better, and this word Valentine's being pronounced as Valentine's is becoming so contagious in a Jamaica.
So cough then?
No.
Or a flu, which one?
We have to go get one sitting fee.
Anyways. So that one. Next one. So these two words, I would say, I'm not even vowel this now. It said same, it have the same sound.
They have the same like end sound.
Yes, the same end sound. Thank you very much. Sausage and message.
Oh yes. The
flipped word.
We response we pronounce. We say
the mispronounced. The mispronounced word which Jamaican people say is suches.
Matches. We big and we broad. We Jamaican we say suches round the clock and we say matches.
The matches one.
You know
the matches one is not too much now, but the sachets everywhere.
And the sachets is coming very contagious. It has become
contagious. It's
but
not contagious. It's
love
so
us
common.
for who we are.
It's so common.
And so it's the sachets. Hey, me like the spicy sachets. Let me get one.
I'll pick up 2 Vienna sachets.
Pick up some Vienna sachets. Make sure you put some Vienna sachets in there barrel.
Exactly.
Yeah. Where you say the matches?
But as I say,
the matches for me.
Matches isn't as
listen
common.
to me. Listen to me. Then that one, the matches is like older than Mechusela.
Exactly. That matches isn't something
and
like
But
sachets.
Are the younger people saying matches?
No, but them say sachets.
Oh yes, the younger people. Yes, I am so disappointed in you, the younger people. Why are you saying sachets? The
matches,
word
no.
is sausage.
Matches, no. I don't think I've heard.
And look here. Don't think it has nothing to do with illiterate or no illiterate.
No, it's nothing like that.
It's just contagious. It's just sachets.
It's just how some of them.
Yeah.
I don't want to say how they feel to pronounce it.
No.
But it's just.
Is it that sachets easier to say than sausage? Comment. Are you guilty of pronouncing the word sausage? Sachets.
Okay. So this next one is a last name. And the funny thing about this, I've heard this one, but it's never been said to me before. So the last name, very common last name, obviously, Smith. I feel like 90% of the world has that last name.
Oh yes, Smith and Brown.
Brown, yes.
And the Smith.
And Matthews.
Matthews? No, not in my estimation.
Matthews is such a common last
No,
name.
we're not with God members.
Anyways, we're not the last name, but Smith, one of the most common last name in the entire world. Instead of S-M-I-T-H, it's S-I-M-I-T-H.
Well, not pronounce the people them name Smith for. Their name is Smith, S-M-I-T-H. How not get Mr. Smith?
But the thing is that all that people be here say.
Yeah, the older people.
All that people may hear say it. Yeah, no, for true. All that people may hear say it. Like, you know, like maybe your grandparents or so. All that people I do hear saying Smith.
Mr. Smith. Oh yes, it's the older people. Yeah,
yes.
That's true.
Older people. I think it was an older person I heard said that.
Mr. Smith. Oh Lord.
I think it was an older person I heard said that. Alright, next one. So the word is noodle, right? Like cup noodle, whatever like that. But the old one is dougal.
Dougal. They would say chicken dougal.
D-O-O-G-L-E. Dougal.
Jeez.
And then the newer one is Noogle. Noogle, excuse me?
That is the newest version and it's very common. It is common.
It is not B, it's Noogle, not Noble. Why did you just say Noble?
Noogle? No, they say Noble too.
Alright, I never hear
Like literally, yes. They alright.
I've never heard noodle.
Noodle. Gerard, if Gerard watch that video, he might go type something.
BLE.
That person literally write it. I mean, I say really. And few weeks back, me hear people me that watch. I man say like seriously, somebody come back come say noodle.
I can look past the noodle.
What are you saying?
I can look past the noodle business.
Noodle. What's
noodle
it?
is
Noodle. So you can look past the what?
I can look past the noodle.
Oh, so there is one by Nookle noodle.
Noodle Kle. G. You know what?
Oh, I know G. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that one is more than me. I knew.
No,
I
make
knew
go
Google.
Back. Make we go back. Cause maybe we have lost in translation.
Me really lose that one, yeah.
The older saying.
Yeah.
Dougal. Dougle.
Did you know about Dougal before?
Yes, I've heard it before.
Okay, all right. No, I never cut Dougal because back in the days we never have Dougal.
We never have
it was
but
chicken
I've heard
Dougal.
I've heard somebody say cut Dougal.
Oh Jesus, that's no bad. I will Google and manage with we.
And then no, that's the old one. The new one, Noogle.
Yeah, that one that regular.
Noogle.
Noogle must be so. But I know
Noogle?
yes, ask Gerard about the Noogle. One, when them write it down, the person is a shopkeeper and they were making a list. And
so them can spell.
It's
not even a pronunciation thing,
no,
you can't spell.
Here two pronunciation at it. One recently up to the other day. I said no sir. If me did then here anyway, me have to go sit down.
I get if you spell it wrong. I can understand if you spell
Why
it
would
wrong.
you get if me spell it wrong? Why would you get if I spell
I can get if
Who
you
spells
wrong.
noodle wrong? Who turns the D into a B? And no, come on.
But if you say the word
For
noodle,
you to be spelling it
honestly,
that way, fam.
I best spell it wrong than say it
You're pronouncing it the wrong. That's why you spell it so.
Honestly, maybe I best say it wrong than pronounce it because
well, me no know.
I feel like looking at it is fine, but you saying it noble.
Well, I prefer to hear them say than to see somebody write it.
Okay. So
when I saw the writing, you know, me just say okay, you know, so I just go and done shopkeeper this. But when me literally hear people I say noble, I'm saying like no man.
So
we can't manage.
So there's 3 variations.
The one they big.
Google.
We want to check. We want to check if the Google has. Hear me, Google. Although Gerard has this Google one, but we just can't put that on camera. Gerard has one that says Google.
Google.
Yeah, Google. Yeah. Stop pronounce Google. But that Gerard experienced that. But I'm saying we want to check Google to see if there is a noodle. Right. Check. They are saying cup noodle.
Alright, next one. This isn't really a mispronunciation. I guess this is just our word of saying it. I say this word. Obviously, unless I'm not speaking like proper English, but I say the word forehead. We say forehead every single day.
Forehead, yeah, we say forehead. Of course, if I big line.
I'm gonna say forehead.
If I big line,
exactly.
Yeah,
say forehead.
Of course, come to me something. Where?
Unless I'm doing some kind of English.
Yes, but you know that
speaking proper English,
not
like
really doing English. So if you're writing, you have to put it in writing. Well, you're gonna say forehead.
And obviously, me not being in writing, but speaking wise.
Speaking wise, you're forehead.
I'm gonna say forehead.
Lad, that one you cannot say, okay, hello.
Like on a regular day-to-day basis, talking to somebody.
Is that something on your forehead? Let me go. Me good at me for me talk the truth. Cause I know me love talk the truth. Me know say me good at go say can I see your forehead? Me not go forehead. Me feel like me go say forehead.
I don't say forehead. Something upon your forehead.
Yeah, regularly me. Couldn't say forehead. That would upon your forehead. But if me I try to talk like me I try me feel like
if
I'm gonna say what's that on your forehead? Forehead. Me go so like me go say
honestly,
forehead.
nobody really pushes so much emphasis
on forehead.
Just forehead.
Yeah, but me said, I want to look something for it. Comment.
Yeah.
Look
that's fine. That's fine. I don't really feel like anybody
on your forehead. Me not say forehead. Me not say hello there. Look at your forehead. Yeah. Them not go forehead. Them not realize them so done.
Forehead, whatever you want.
Yeah.
But forehead.
Yeah, your forehead too big. Come here,
I say that on a daily basis, and nobody can take that from me. Unfortunately, it's forehead.
Forehead.
Yes.
We are all guilty of saying it. We not really mean it, and we not realize.
Some people don't realize it's just what we say or just going to say forehead.
Yeah.
This one Well, I
think
knew
even
it.
the teachers in the classroom sometimes I go say, "Are you boy? One sit down. What's that on your forehead?" Them not go say forehead. Not go say forehead. The teacher in the classroom not go say forehead, but they will say forehead.
They not slip up.
Them not go. Them will say forehead. But I think that some of them will say, "Oh, to see forehead."
I feel like forehead is more for like. I don't want to say. They probably say forehead.
Yeah, that's what I said. The teacher in the class say, "Look at you. What's that in your forehead?" Yeah. But we're done with that.
All right.
What's that in your forehead? Tell me in the comments.
Is government.
Oh Jesus.
But what I didn't know, I know, but I never really hear it that much. Government.
You thought the correct word was government?
No, I know the word was government.
But what?
But sometimes when people pronounce it, it's like is that the children one? Government.
Yeah, no, but look here.
But the proper word is government.
A lot of people should have known that.
They must take
but when we
end.
attack, we look up at we say, like the government this and the government.
Exactly.
We know better.
Exactly.
But maybe some people don't realize that.
That's the thing, that's what I'm saying. Some people know. So it's kind of like the children one, where it's children, where it's a children.
But if you bring in government right there, you have to bring in governor. Do you know how many people say governor?
N-A.
Do you know how many people say governor? The word is governor.
I'm take off the RF.
No, governor. Yeah, do you know? Yeah.
Alright. But that one really isn't like a big one because as I said, we don't really mix that one honestly. Government, whatever. Honestly. That one isn't a big one.
The government thing a patwa in a code.
It's patwa, exactly. So nobody really makes that.
And the governor a patwa too, you know.
I'm
not sure. Because right now the patwa hard to spell, you know.
Nobody cares.
But I think govern. I would mean not say government. I mostly say govern.
Govern. Where it all come from? No, government.
But the word is G-O spell government.
Government.
Yeah, there. Me shame.
So it's government. Did you think it was government?
No, look here. You have to get here. Look at people in here. People in my school. I know it's government, but me now, I never said government. Me said government. Yeah. Government.
The government gets something me too.
Yeah.
But I'm saying, obviously, we know if we spell it, but the whole government one, I saw that one on Google. I never really mixed it that
the mispronunciation of government is on Google.
Yeah.
Yes, we do it. That's
so that's what I'm saying. I didn't really realize that we just take out.
But I don't think that government one is just Jamaica alone, you know.
No, maybe
I don't think so. There are a lot of America everywhere. Me think yeah, I think so. But comment. I don't think so. I don't think so.
All right, next one. This one is so funny. Phone screen.
Jesus.
So instead of screen, screen.
How did that happen?
Flat screen TV.
Flat screen
TV. And that's that one.
That's a wrap?
No, that's not about.
No, but that's scream one day. How did it reach
honestly,
there?
I don't even think we should make how it reached there. Just move past it, honestly, because it's never going to change.
Because can we move past it? Because every time somebody say, "But flat screen TV," all heads turn. Philo, what are you talking about?
RSF one screen.
Your phone screen. Is this a Jamaican? This one?
Yeah, phone screen.
Are we wonder one day? That scream one day. Big up way.
Phone screen. No. First of all, it was flat screen TV.
Yeah, it was flat screen.
And then the phone screen came into play after that one.
Well, big up yourself.
So flat screen and then phone screen.
Big up yourself. Kind of go change, you know.
So phone screen protector, phone screen protector.
Yeah, so it's coming like the younger people, them say it more than the older people them. So how we gonna get it? I don't think it's gonna stop. It's not gonna stop.
No man, that one never move on. Never just move on.
Yeah, that one there is solid.
This is another big one, just like certificate. Flim.
Oh yes.
Just flip the L and the I to the other side.
Flim.
It's just film. Flip the L and the I to the other side. Flim.
Is it a we wonder one day?
Yeah, yes we do.
A Jamaica wonder? Big up yourself.
Yeah. That's another one.
Tell them about we.
That's another production of
Tell
us.
them say we always a keep. Don't play with us.
That's another production of us.
Yeah.
Film obviously is the word film.
But we say flim.
But we say flim.
Okay.
F-L-I-M.
Do we own shrimps too, as opposed to shrimp?
I was about to say, but when I reach that one day yet.
Okay, I'm sorry.
There's one before it, and this is one of the second ones that I will not look past. Valentine's was the first one. This one I will not look past. nutmeg.
Oh, jeez.
The word is nutmeg. Where did you get nutmeg from?
Where did you get the? I have heard so many. Like a parent saying to a child, pass me a nutmeg. What is a nutmeg? Here the parent to child. Give me a nutmeg.
Nutmeg, yeah, nutmeg.
So your child, what's a nutmeg? Yeah. You don't. Your parent no. You don't know what a nutmeg is. The word is a one T, you know.
The word
is just one simple word.
It's a simple word. Nutmeg. It's
nut and meg.
It's
meg. The meg is a name. Is somebody's name. Not meg.
Break it up in a two.
Yeah, not N-U-T. It's not a nutmeg.
Yes, when my teacher for pronounce back when you did younger, and then we split up the words for you with a little dash.
Syllabus. A syllabus in here? Syllabus?
No, syllabus is like the...
Yeah, the same thing.
Yeah.
That takes time with me now.
Syllables. So now I break it up in a syllables for you. Then when I put not, dash, meg.
But does that word deserve to be broken up into any syllables? That's one word, nutmeg. What are you saying? You don't know what a nutting egg is. But there are some people saying a nutting egg. Some planes them saying a nutting egg.
Alright, nutting egg is...
A nut egg. I hear that too. Haven't you heard nut egg? Hello. We are going to put the spelling on the screen. It's just 2 syllables. Nutmeg. Try not to let it get through.
And what's so funny, they took one letter and dash it out. I add 3 more. And put
don't
3
you
more.
know what a nutting egg is?
And put
and
H,
you
N,
as a
I.
parent are saying to your child, what is Colby said to me, what's a nutting egg? You don't know what a nutting egg is, and a whole heap of people, a lot, 100 million, 1,000 uno guilty of it.
No,
the word what look
as I said, this is one of the second words. If me hear somebody say, you're
going to hear somebody say it and you can't say nothing, you just walk past them as if you don't hear.
No.
Because why this simple fam? Comment in the comment section and tell us why like this little word Valentine's anything because that word is long, but this small little thing, the word is as small as the thing. Nutmeg. It's not a big thing.
Nutmeg.
How did
you made it into a longer word?
Get into this. Who opens up polka? I want to get to this one. The word is just as small as the thing is in a nutmeg. You don't know what a nutting egg is. I'm saying Jesus.
Nutting egg with a T in there.
And nutting, I don't even know how that's spelled.
For you to say nutting egg, there's no M in that anymore.
For mash up my maids to go find out how to spell that.
That is just N-U-T-I-N-G and then egg. E-E-G-G. Nutting egg.
I am realizing since I have been on YouTube that so many people have a problem pronouncing this word. The word won't not do the little words of a way, do no. It's just nutmeg. A nutting egg. A nut egg, and the last time we hear nut egg with the and a lot of people have it. Yes. No, the person was trying to pronounce it the same. Nut egg, nut, and at the end of the day still don't make the right pronunciation.
How can you mess up nutmeg?
I don't know. Comment and be truthful.
Honestly,
be truthful.
If you want to mess up Valentine's, do your thing.
Be truthful in the comment section. Have you been messing up the word nutmeg?
Honestly, if you mess up Valentine's, fine.
Yeah, you can go on little, but try to you can help yourself.
You can move on. You can fix it, but you can move on.
But how do you mess up nutmeg? From nutmeg to nutting egg? Oh my God.
Or nutmeg or whatever like that.
Or nutmeg. The word is nutmeg, nutting egg. Back in the days,
you know, I'm gonna stop saying before me start saying around.
Yeah. Back in the days, country people would say nutting egg. Nutting egg. N-U-T-T-E-N-E-G-G. That's what they would say. But no, I have heard it now being transformed now to nothing egg. And not egg. But the correct word, put it on the screen, nutmeg. No, to be honest, Cobb, you will be surprised to know how many people, not Jamaicans, and we alone do it. We not take no credit for that one. I am not. No, it's not us alone. Other people. Get to act together. The word is for the last time, nutmeg. We're going to put it on the screen in all caps.
Alright, and then last one, shrimp.
Lord have mercy.
Shrimp.
You know, say.
And the thing is, I never believed when y'all told me the mispronounced word.
I think this one is responsible.
But I actually heard
Jamaicans really are responsible.
But
shrimps.
I actually
But
heard.
we said that
What
when shrimps.
Swims. What are you talking
Swims.
about?
Oh my
Swims.
God. Oh yeah, we did say that when we got
A
country.
swims me here.
Yeah, we did say that. I think a big me don't know.
A swims me and a swims Google out.
So Google get it too.
Exactly. So you wrong.
No.
Shrimps. Swims is the word.
But
I
we
don't know
think
about
that
shrimp.
I think the swims are the local Siri them with our country in a
little
river.
what,
Siri. Not Siri. Hello, never leave it right this stuff.
And y'all get too far now. But
Yeah,
shrimp.
we used to say
Swims.
Siri. Comment all over and go
It's a
country.
whole
Some
new
little,
word.
some little teeth, them little bit, them not big enough. Siri. I tell
It's a
you.
whole new word.
Alright, see if Google have it.
Me not ask Google about a Siri because if you type in Siri, it will autocorrect me to Siri.
But we used to call it Siri when we're that country. Comment and look country
That's
people. Them.
someone's name.
Yeah, we catch them in a rivers. Them look like shrimping about them little bit. So we say, and me catch them too. Yeah, going out with basket in a river. Anybody? Man, I know.
The little pepper shrimp, them where them would have in
Them
the bag
little, like them little teeny one there, where them,
put in the pepper shrimp.
yeah,
bottle.
no, yeah, no, none of them little like where them using at the bar, them dried shrimp. So them little size there. We call them Siri when we that country and I catch.
Cocktail shrimp.
Me no know. But then little bit and we catch them in a river in a
Cocktail
basket.
shrimp.
I don't know what to do when we that country come but we know about cocktail.
They're called cocktail shrimp because they're small.
Wanna pray for me. We, when we were kids in the country, we would go, listen, me don't know we are going to end up like this story now because from mispronunciation to when we the river country.
Are you there? River country, no, never don't go with you.
But look here, you see the sitting them now, we catch Black Hog, Annie, Siri.
Yeah, cocktail.
Well, the Siri look like shrimp, but they were small. Sometimes we get big one. Comment, Black Hog. All the what they call crayfish, we call it, what they call crawfish, we call it crayfish.
People call it crayfish.
Yeah, and them something there.
People call it
Black
crayfish.
Annie, Black Hog,
I don't know if they call it
yeah.
I don't. Okay, some people call it
The
crawfish.
Black Hog is like the same, but it's literally really black.
Some people call it crawfish. Some people call it crayfish.
We call it crayfish when we were in the country.
Honestly, there really is no mispronunciation. I guess it's just how you want to call it.
Yeah, we call it crayfish, and the little ones that look like shrimp, we would call them Siri.
Those are cocktail shrimp.
I don't know, but we don't need this so.
Yeah, so that's our list that we had and that Google advised us with. There are more.
No man, some of them Google
Obviously.
advise you with nothing at all. No darling. Google don't know nothing about the cornflakes, please.
No, they can't.
And I don't think people Google know about nothing egg.
And the apple one. Yes, I Google me find nutmeg one pan.
The nothing egg?
Yes. I get the spelling alpha.
Oh Jesus.
And the swims too. Yes.
Oh Lord. That means I know we alone as a shrimp swims.
You want to know what I typed in? Jamaican mispronounced words.
Oh,
so it's just
right.
us.
You never have to load me up. So. Oh. And we alone pronounce nutmeg bad.
No.
So Google at the way back. I know we alone.
The nutmeg one.
I'm a vex. Google me vex.
I know we alone.
I know we alone.
Nutmeg wrong, honestly. I know
no,
we alone pronounce
not
nutmeg,
we alone.
nutmeg.
You know we always are keep, but I know we alone.
I know we alone pronounce nutmeg wrong, but majority rules obviously. But yeah, that is our list, guys. Thank you for watching.
I said, what is some more wanna come in the comment section?
If you guys have some that wanna hear, give it the actual word.
Because
so make sure you
so many.
Give us the actual word and give us the mispronounced word. And if you guys want us to do a part 2 to this, you can tell
with
us
names
also.
Of places in Jamaica mispronounced.
Yeah,
that would be the part 2.
Names of places
in Jamaica.
Other people last name are pronounced wrong too.
We don't have to be like places in Jamaica alone. We hear Jamaicans pronounce other places in the world.
Wrong. Oh yeah,
really pronounce it bad.
Yeah. So yeah, that's our little list. You guys can tell us the ones that you know.
Some of we all they are pronounced for we country name bad too.
How do you pronounce it?
When we reach to the pronunciation of
the only bad one I've heard is Jamaica.
Jamaica. You never hear about Jamaica.
That's
Alright, done
too
the
extra.
story. Done the
That's
story.
too
End the video.
Okay guys, so thanks for watching. You guys can tell us the ones that you're familiar with in the comments, or any new ones that you know and we didn't talk about. And if you want us to do a part 2,
You're right. Tell the people I don't forget nothing to drink.
yeah, exactly my point. And if you guys want us to do a part 2, you can also tell us as well, and we can incorporate some of the ones that you put in the comments.
Yeah,
well.
and really elaborate a little more.
Yeah,
because there are a lot more, you know.
As we know, say enough of them out, them never hear yet. So, thank you guys for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in another one. Bye.